How did you realize your friends thought of you as an idiot? On my 25th birthday, I noticed I was getting really weird gifts from my friends. They were hosting a party for me, and one by one they congratulated me while handing me gifts that looked an awful lot like books. When I got home, I looked carefully, and the books made me so confused. The first one was called How to Act in Public for Dummies. The others all had similar names like Get Better at Socializing, Master the Art of Tact, and 21 Ways to Share Your Feelings Without Annoying Others. The last one was literally called How to Stop Being an Idiot in Public. I didn't understand why my friends gifted me these books, so I had to go ask my sister. She looked at me like I was crazy and then explained they gave you these books because they think you need them. That's when I realized that my friends didn't think I was smart at all. I was so disheartened and wanted to confront them immediately, but the party they threw for my birthday was so nice that I didn't want to judge them so quickly. So I decided to call my best friend and ask him to explain properly. To my absolute surprise, he didn't even try to lie. Yeah bro, you're definitely a little stupid, but don't worry, we still like you for who you are.